In this video, I will show you how to apply for Canada Child Benefit. Before starting this video, first we will know what is Canada Child Benefit, which is CCB, and who can apply for CCB. Canada Child Benefit is a tax-free monthly payment made to eligible families to help with the cost of raising their children under 18 years of age. It is administered by the Canada Revenue Agency, which is nothing but CRA. Now let's see who can apply. You need to live with a child and child must be under 18 years of age. Child's mother would be considered as primary responsible or primary caretaker of the child. Must be resident of Canada who has completed 18 months in the country, will be eligible to get the benefits from 19th month onwards. One more important thing is you need to file taxes to be eligible to continue to getting the benefits. There are 3 ways to apply for CCB. I am taking you through how to apply using sign-in partner in step by step. So let's get started. In Google, type CRA login. Click on the first link, CRA sign-in services. Click on My Account. Scroll down. Click on Sign-in Partner. If you are new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Now select your sign-in partner. Mine is RBC. I'm selecting RBC. Enter your username and password and click on Sign In. You can go through this terms and conditions of use and privacy notice. Click on Accept and Continue. To validate your identity, enter your social insurance number, your SIN. Click on Next. Enter your postal code, your date of birth. In this tax information field, you have to enter the amount on line 15,000 of your 2022 returns. This is the 2022 tax summary file. Whatever the amount is reflecting on line number 15,000, you have to enter the same amount in tax information field. But if you are not working, then you have to enter 0 amount there. Click on Next. For multi-factor authentication, select your telephone number and delivery method where you would like your one-time passcode to be sent. I am selecting the option Text Me. Enter your passcode. And also you have to choose your one-time passcode preference. Click on Next. Enter your CRA security code. If you don't have CRA security code, then you have to request one by calling CRA, which will be delivered to your mailing address. Click on Next. This will navigate you to CRA My Account page. Click on Profile. Next to Child Information, click on Add button. Scroll down. Click on Start. Check all your information. If all the information is correct, then click on S. Have you been a Canadian citizen for the last 12 months? I'm not a citizen, so I'm selecting No. Click on Next. Here you have to enter your child information. Click on Add a Child button. Enter your child's first name, last name, gender, date of birth, all the information. Child born in Canada? No. Enter child's city of birth. Does the child live with you most or all the time? Yes. Enter the date from when. Once you entered all the information, click on Add Child button. Now child information has been added. If you have more than one kid, you can click on Add a Child button and enter all the information. I certify that the information I have provided is correct. Now click on Submit button. child information has been submitted successfully now. Till now we have updated only child information. Now we have to complete the application by uploading the correct documents. First document is RC66SCH form. This is the form when you file your income tax. You may use this form to state your status in Canada. To download this form, type RC66SCH in Google. Click on the first link. Download the second PDF file which is fillable or savable, RC66SCH fill-22E. For the best result, after downloading this form, you can open in Adobe Reader. This is the RC66SCH form. You have to update all your information like your SIN number, your spouse SIN number, your first name, last name, your residency status and your income detail. Second document is your child's proof of birth. I am clicking on proof of birth. Proof of birth document can be either birth certificate, certified copy of birth registration, hospital record of birth, Indian status card or passport. This is very important that you have to write your SIN number on all the documents before you upload the documents. Now click on Submit Documents button. Click on Attachments button. Click on Browse and attach all the required documents. I have attached RC66SCH form, my daughter's passport, daughter's study permit and my work permit. I have updated my SIN number on all the documents. In this text box, we have to provide a brief description of our uploaded documents. Now click on Upload Files. All documents have been uploaded now. Click on Next. This is our case or reference number. Click on Submit button. All required documents have been submitted successfully. This is the reference number, confirmation number. These are the uploaded files. Click on Return to Overview. I hope this video is helpful. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you everyone. See you in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye. See you.